this is Mona. I just wanted to show you what I bought in the mail. I got this from the Fat Quarter shop. It's a scrap pack. It comes in this bag. And it's pretty full, but I already peeked, so... and folded it up nice. But I will show you what's in here. And I think it was $11.98, but I ordered other stuff, so... There's this piece here. And it's the full length of the fabric. And then, oh, and that is, let's see, Stephanie Shinery, Moda Fabrics. Then I got this one. So this is perfect. And this is Moda Fabrics. Life is tough, my darling, but so are you. Stephanie Henry. And then look at this, little tiny strawberries on blue. And it is also the whole length of the fabric. And I'm not sure who that is by. It doesn't say anything on the selvage. And then this huge, huge piece. And this is Andover, Pat. And then I got this piece. This one make a nice background on the quilt squares. And this is Riley Blake 2020. And then I got this, which is quite big. I might be able to use something this Halloween-y. I'm thinking Ouija board or something. And then, of course, the bag, which I will reuse. Thanks for watching.